where your consent capture can happen at different data collection points or interaction points with the end users. And at the same time, the consent updates can happen through preference centers or trust centers where the user can see all of their choices. Maybe you can offer them a few more so that they have the flexibility to pick and choose and be very intentional about what they sign up for. In turn, informing the centralized repository such as OneTrust, where you have clean insights on what works for your audience and what they desire. And you can now activate your data sets across the different tech stacks that you might have today or you onboard in the future. You change tech stacks quite frequently, or you plan to into the next 2-3 years. Consent management does not need hold up because of onboarding or offboarding of other vendor systems. This is a solution that ubiquitously applies and builds your due diligence repository and centralized consent views. And it can activate your existing systems or anything you onboard into the future as efficiently. Now, unified consent as a whole truly means unifying the consent that this user provides across any interface. So when I say it's person-based, you can know who this person is and also see them change their cookie choices, which is your CMP, which is your SDK choices. Those choices, along with the broader universal choices like marketing, sales, communication, preferences, email, servicing, warranty registrations, whatnot, all come together in a unified fashion when you think of consent and preferences as a platform. So based on what your business is focused on at this instance, what your priorities are, you might want to look at, do I want to tackle anonymous users or do I want to tackle known? Once you have that understanding, a true mature program can be built up to through connecting these two together and having a unified consent and preferences platform in place. Now, how this truly drives your experiences for the end user is you have the opportunity to use the right channel, deliver the right message at the right time to not only collect consent, but also the data sets that would influence the personalization thereafter.